Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GBSN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have this scrunched up way over here, so there's a lot of dead space because when you move the chart here, I guess I can just show you, it just throws off the proportions of things and makes things harder to see. So because the price action has been so crazy with the reverse split and all that, just wanted to make it easier so we can address the question that I think the 30-minute does a fantastic job of addressing, and that is revolving around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice bounce. I mean, from where it was here at its low to where it ultimately closed, I think everyone would agree, yeah, this was a good solid bounce, but that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce, a fake move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using the chart on the 30-minute, I think we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is down here at, I don't know the exact value of it, let's see. $1.08. So why is $1.08 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, bounces that are actually bounces are going to, well, the price is going to continue to bounce, right? The price is going to continue to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. Hopefully you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.08. Any sort of closes below it or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back into this low portion of the day. Again, going back into the low portion, just going back to where you were, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around on top of this previous range, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set down there. And if you picture each one of these as stair steps, then, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They're going to make progress forward. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as $1.08. Now, what about areas of resistance? Next key point of resistance, keep an eye on, is going to be that former area of support. And that's up there right around the $1.50 mark. So $1.50, next key battleground here. So we'll see what happens. But like I said, no doubt about it, nice bounce today. Is there any sort of true momentum behind this bounce? We'll have to sit back and see if the bulls can start building some higher lows or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.